Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join a clan in Clash Royale. To join a clan in Clash Royale, first of all, open up the Clash Royale game on your device. Once you're in the main homepage of Clash Royale, tap on the clan icon at the bottom of the screen, which looks like 3 people. Now once you get to the clans tab, tap the little show icon at the bottom right, and then you can then search or create a new clan from this page. To search for a clan, go ahead and type in the name of a clan in the search box. You can also type in the clan tag or browse recommended clans from the list. After you make a search for it, go ahead and search through the list, and then once you find the clan you like, tap on it to view its details. If the clan is open, you can then tap the join button in green. If the clan is invite only or closed, you will need to request to join or get an invite from a member. Once you request to join, the clan leader or co-leaders will need to approve your request. Once approved, you'll automatically be added to the clan. So that is how you will be able to join a clan in Clash Royale. Make sure to look for active clans with high number of members and donations. Make sure to check the clan description to see if it matches your playstyle, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.